This video is for class 9 physics and we are doing uses of spherical mirrors, uses of concave mirror as a saving mirror. So, when a concave mirror is held near the face such that the face is in between the pole and the focus of a mirror, as you all know, it should give a magnified, upright and a virtual image that can be seen behind the mirror. So, for this a concave mirror of larger focal length, so that the face always lies between its focus and the pole, and large aperture, a big one, should be used so as to view the entire face, right. It can be used as a reflector also in torch lights and the headlights of automobiles, cars, cycles, etc. A concave polished metallic surface is used which will act as a reflector and thus a concave mirror to obtain a parallel beam of light. For this, source of light, that is bulb, is placed at the focus of the concave reflector. The rays of light from the bulb fall on the concave reflector, after which reflection form a parallel beam. As you all know, when the ray starts from the focus, right, the ray starts from the focus, after reflection it needs to be parallel to the principal axis, thus a bulb is kept at the focus so that we can get a parallel beam of light. Okay. So, I hope this is also clear. As a dentist head mirror or ENT's head mirror, right, if a parallel beam of light is incident on a concave mirror, it focuses the beam to a point, right, just opposite to the previous one. This fact enables us to use it as a doctor's head mirror to concentrate the light beam on a small area of the body part such as teeth, nose, throat, ear, etc. to be examined. For this, a parallel beam of light is made to fall on a concave mirror attached to the band tight at the forehead of a doctor examining the body part. Uses of convex mirror now. As a reflector in a street light, okay, street lamps, the convex polished metallic surface is used in a street lamp as a reflector so as to diverge the light over a bigger area. Since it is a diverging mirror, right, it can diverge the light. Number 2, as a rear view mirror, a convex mirror diverges the incident light beam and always forms a virtual small and erect image between its pole and the focus. Probably you have seen that in our previous video. This fact enables the driver to use it as a rear view mirror in vehicles to see all the traffic approaching from behind. Although a plane mirror can also be used for this purpose, but a convex mirror provides much wider field of view as compared to the plane mirror of the same size. The ray diagrams figures 7.43 show how a convex mirror provides a wider field of view than a plane mirror. Here field of view means the area in which the images can be adjusted, right. So, here D is the position of the driver of the vehicle. So, here you can see if we are using a plane mirror, the field of view, the area on which the images can be created is of this size, right. But whereas suppose we are using a convex mirror, the field of view increases, that means the area on which the images can be formed can be created much bigger if we use a convex mirror, right. So, now a distinction between the plane mirror and a concave mirror, right, as well as a convex mirror without touching. So, if you do not want to touch them, right, how will you distinguish these three mirrors? We can distinguish these three mirrors with the help of the image formed. All three will form a virtual image, remember, all three forms virtual image, right, all three forms virtual images. But the virtual images in case of plane mirror, is of same size as that of object. But in case of convex mirror, it will be diminished. And the last one, in case of concave, it is magnified. right. So, this is the major difference between a plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror without touching, right, major difference. A plane mirror forms the image of same size as that of the object, convex forms a diminished virtual image, whereas concave forms a magnified virtual image. So, now coming to the difference between the concave mirror and convex mirror. So, concave mirror, right. So, first point, it is made by silvering the outer surface as a part of the hollow sphere. So, the reflection takes place from the inner surface, whereas in convex mirror opposite thing happens. The silvering is done in the inner surface, so that reflection can take place from the bulging outer surface. Number 2, the light rays incident on it converges, so it is a converging mirror, right, whereas in case of convex mirror the light rays incident on it diverges, it goes away from a point. Number 3, the image formed by it can be real as well as virtual. It might be object at beyond the focus, the image is real, while for the position of the object between the focus and the pole, the image will be virtual. So, beyond the focus, if we are keeping the object, it is real, but after it crosses the focus, it becomes virtual. The image is always virtual, right, no matter what. Number 4, for objects away from the center of curvature, the image is diminished, but for the objects which is at the center of curvature, it should be of same size, and if it crosses the center of curvature, the size of the image increases. So, whenever you keep the object beyond the center of curvature, the image formed will be of smaller size, that is diminished, but if you keep on the center of curvature, the image will be of same size as that of the object, and if it crosses the center of curvature, the size of the image increases, right. So, it can form all forms of images, that is diminished, same size and magnified, whereas convex mirror always forms diminished image no matter what. So, this much for this video. Thank you so much.